Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create files with touch command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, I am going to show you how to create file in current location, touch file. File is the file name. Now hit enter and look, my current location is desktop, and in desktop the file is created. Now I am going to show you how to create multiple files in a single command. Type touch, then file name, sales, admin, HR, IT. 4 files will be created in single command. Now hit enter and look, the files has been created. Now I am going to show you how to create file in different location. I am going to create a file in documents folder, touch /root documents, and the file name my file. Now hit enter. The file has been created in root document folders. Now I am going to check ls root documents. Look, the file my file is created. Now I'm going to show you another technique to create multiple files. File, second bracket, 11, 13, 16, and second bracket close. It will create file 11, file 13, and file 16 also. Now hit enter and look, file 11, file 13, and file 16 has been created in single command. Another easiest way to create multiple files. Touch file, second bracket, 1, double dot, 6. Now second bracket close, hit enter and look, file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, and file 5, 6 also created. File 6, file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the easiest way to create file in touch command. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.